totally
crazy.
snowing.
Whoa.
Oh my
Is
gosh.
it gonna stop? Whoa! Look at all that. Damn. It's so loud on the patio. It's gonna cave in.
It's full on snowing.
Yeah. This is not snow, baby, it's hail.
Same thing.
No, it's not. Dang.
Are you filming me?
You're all looking at it, smiling. Let's pick the biggest one. Pretty big. No, Chancho doesn't like it. Jeez. I think it's slowing down now. You can tell where the grass is longer because it doesn't look as white. Oh, look at the spa cover. Whoa. It hurts. Hail hurts really bad. But I'm going to grab some.
Take a picture and then email it to us.
Okay. I'm recording it. I'll send him the video. The video is cooler because you hear how loud it is.
Yeah.
Still hailing. Look at this. Whoa. Snowball fight! I stepped in it.
You can make a snowman with all the stuff on the
I just did. Brr.
on the spot.
Ah! Look at my slippies. My slippies. That's crazy. It is snow. You're right, babe. It's pretty soft like snow. I'll send him the video.
Yeah.
I knew it was cold today. Look at this spa. That's cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna wear them though.
Chancho, he doesn't like that. He doesn't like that. No, don't make me go outside. It stops. That is crazy. Crazy. It looks like snow out there. The patio probably has a ton of. Yeah, you can see it. Then